Hello friends, today we are going to calculate the thickness required for thin cylindrical cell according to the given data. Now first of all, the given data is a thin cylindrical cell with fluid external pressure for flow. It means that for flowing of fluid we require external pressure which generates internal pressure as 3.8 kilonewton per meter square. It means we have given the pressure value as a 3.8 kilonewton per meter square. Now if we convert the pressure in terms of newton per mm square, we require 3.8 kilonewton as a 10 raised to 3 in terms of newton divided by 4 meter square, it is 10 raised to 6 mm square. So the value is 3.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 Newton per mm square. Now 1.2 meter diameter cell. So assuming that small d as a 1.2 meter which is equal to 1200 mm. If the change in the volume is not exceed 3% of its original volume, then we have to calculate thickness required. It means that we have given del V as a 3% of original volume. So if we assume that capital V as a original volume, then we have given del V as a 3%. It means 3 by 100 of original volume. It means that del V by capital V is given as 0.03. This one is the relation between del V and V. Now for the solution of given example, first of all we have equation del V is equal to V into E2 plus twice E1. Now for this relation we required E2 and E1 as a hoop strain and longitudinal strain, and for that we required hoop stress. So hoop stress value sigma c, which is equal to PD by twice thickness. Now pressure is 3.8 into 10 raised to minus 3 into diameter is given as 1200 mm divided by twice T as a unknown value. So by solving this term we have sigma c as a 2280 by T into 10 raised to minus 3 in terms of Newton per mm square. Similarly, if we calculate the longitudinal stress, sigma L, which is equal to sigma c by 2, then the value is 1140 by T into 10 raised to minus 3 in terms of Newton per mm square. Now we know that the value of E1 can be written as sigma c by E minus sigma L by m into E, and assuming that Poisson's ratio as a 0.3 which is equal to 1 by m, and putting all the values we will have so E1 value is 9.69 into 10 raised to minus 6 by T. Similarly, if we calculate the value for E2, then the equation is sigma L by capital E minus sigma C by m E. Now putting all the values as so our value for E2, which is equal to 2.28 into 10 raised to minus 6 by t. Now, according to relation del V by V is equal to 0.03, and we take del V equal to V into E2 plus twice E1, then del V by V is equal to E2 plus twice E1. Hence, we can take 0.03 as a E2 plus twice E1, and E2 value is 2.28 into 10 raised to minus 6 by t, plus twice the E1 value as 9.69 into 10 raised to minus 6 by t. Now solving this term, we will have t value as a 7.22 into 10 raised to minus 5 in terms of mm. So for the given data, we require thickness as a 7.22 into 10 raised to minus 5 mm, which is very less value according to the given criteria. Thank you.